Don't know about anybody else, but stuff always seems to break during harvest. This time, it was a wheel on the back of the wagon. Luckily, we noticed it before it became a major problem. So let's get the wheel off and see if it's able to be fixed or if we gotta junk it.